कई तेलुगु फिल्मों में अपने किरदार समता ने पेश किए। शहर हैदराबाद में पैरागॉन कंपनी के सस्ते ख़वातीन के सैंडल्स का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। एक्ट्रेस समता, जो कि पैरागॉन की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर भी है, आज उन्होंने बहुत कम दामों के ख़वातीन के सैंडल्स का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। वैसे तो ख़वातीन के नित नए डिज़ाइन के बाज़ारों में सैंडल्स दस्तयाब है, मगर वो बहुत महंगे दामों में दस्तयाब है। पैरागॉन ने सस्ते सैंडल्स को बाज़ार में लाया है।
What you see in the film is the character of Samantha. So we try to portray that in the TV commercial.
This, all that, all this, all that, all this. All that. Ye wala, 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 like this, like that, like this, like that. Ye wala, ye wala.
Paragon Solia.
सब देखते ही रह जाएंगे।
I would request Samantha to say a few words.
Thank you, Erosh. I'm really happy to be associated with a reputed brand like Paragon. The leading manufacturers in footwear, you left that one out. Around 6 million. It's wow, and I'm really happy. It's a big deal for me to be associated with such a reputed brand. You just watched the commercial, and I don't think any commercial has captured my true personality as much as Paragon has. And that too in 30 seconds, which is a big deal. And throughout the TVC, I keep looking at my shoes, and you know why? Because their latest design solia are just beautiful. Usually when we want to go for like heels and designer shoes, they're probably mostly uncomfortable. But I can assure you that Paragon Solia comes with a beautiful variety of latest designs, as well as that they're extremely comfortable, and I actually took quite a few pairs home after the shoot, and also told my friends on Facebook and Twitter about it. I'm really happy to be associated with Paragon. Thank you.
Would anybody like to ask something? The forum is open for any questions.